What's your name?
Skye.
What's your real name?
And when I see you next, who are you gonna be?
I don't know. Maybe Tom Brady.
Tom Brady? You hate the Patriots.
The Agent Grant Ward she knows doesn't. There are things about me you wouldn't like if you knew. I am not a good man, Skye.
Agent Ward, why are you really here?
People keep secrets for a reason, Skye. Skye.
What? Hail Hydra.
She thinks I'm a monster.
Are you? Is that your true nature?
Skye.
I believe in a world where her true nature will reveal itself.
I'm a survivor. Daisy. You and I aren't that different.
You are a serial killer. He's a murderer.
Yes, he is. Are you?
Maybe you two could be monsters together.
It wasn't personal.
It wasn't personal?
Skye.
Lying bastard! Son of a bitch! Lying! I imagine they were a reward. Never turn your back on the enemy. You taught me that. It's love. 61 beats per minute, consistent the whole time. You were right about one thing. I wouldn't like the real you. You're saying that your feelings for me.
They're real, Skye.
We're done here.
Skye.
That's not our name.